Hello, everyone at Vet News. Today we are going to explore one of the most fascinating and often forgotten biomes in Brazil, the Pampa. Did you know that it is one of the biomes richest in biodiversity but also one of the most threatened? Get ready to discover its importance for Brazilian fauna and why we urgently need to protect it. What is the Pampa? The Pampa is one of the 6 Brazilian biomes, located mainly in the state of Rio Grande do Sul. It also extends into parts of Uruguay and Argentina, where it is called Campos Salinos. This biome is characterized by vast fields of grass, low vegetation, and few trees. Studies by the IBG indicate that the Pampa covers about 63% of the territory of Rio Grande do Sul. It is essential to the cultural and economic identity of the region, mainly due to its relationship with livestock farming. The biodiversity of the Pampas. Despite being known as a biome of open fields, the Pampas are home to a rich biodiversity. According to the Chico Mendes Institute for Biodiversity Conservation, ICIMBio, the biome has more than 3,000 species of plants, of which 300 are endemic. That is, they do not exist anywhere else in the world. The fauna is also incredible. Among the mammals, we have the graxaim-do-campo, the Pampas cat, and the Melita armadillo. Among the birds, the rhea and the yellow cardinal stand out, an endangered species. Studies by the Federal University of Rio Grande do Sul, UFRGS, indicate that the Pampas is one of the most important biomes for migratory birds. Ecosystem services of the Pampas. Did you know that the Pampas offers essential ecosystem services? It regulates the local climate, protects the soil against erosion, and conserves water in its river basins. A study published in the journal Ecological Economics highlights that the Pampas contribute directly to agriculture and livestock farming, being a vital source of food for livestock. In addition, its natural areas help maintain environmental balance, benefiting human communities and local fauna. Threats to the Pampas. Unfortunately, the Pampas is one of the most threatened Brazilian biomes. Data from MapBiomas indicate that around 54% of the Pampas' original vegetation has already been destroyed, mainly due to agricultural expansion and intensive livestock farming. Fires and soybean monoculture are major culprits, reducing biodiversity and putting species at risk. This not only affects local fauna but also compromises the ecosystem services that the biome provides. Why is the Pampas important for Brazilian fauna? The Pampas is a true refuge for fauna. It serves as shelter, food, and an ecological corridor for several species. A study published in the journal Biological Conservation highlights that the fragmentation of this biome can lead to the extinction of key species, affecting the entire Brazilian ecosystem. Furthermore, the Pampa plays an important role in the preservation of migratory species, which use the biome as a resting and feeding point during their long journeys. How can we protect the Pampa? The conservation of the Pampa depends on joint actions between governments, local communities, and non-governmental organizations. Projects such as the ecological corridors of the Pampa aim to connect fragments of the biome, allowing animals to move freely and maintain biodiversity. You can help too. Support sustainable products, report illegal burnings, and value initiatives that promote conservation. Environmental education is also a powerful tool to raise awareness among future generations. The Pampa is a national treasure that needs to be protected. Its natural wealth is essential not only for animals, but also for us humans. If you like this video, like, share, and leave a comment. Let's work together to preserve the Pampa and ensure a better future for our fauna. Until next time, Vet News Team.